Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Wagangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. EFF's National Assembly and Northern Cape's Provincial Legislature, Mabato Mokause, has joined the MK Party. Former Democratic Alliance Executive Mayor of Midvaal local municipality is the latest recruit of the MK Party. Former Cope and City of Johannesburg Speaker Colleen Makhubele has also joined Umkhonto weSizwe Party. With Mabato's experience as former national organizer and national elections manager of the EFF, she will come in handy in growing the structures of the MK Party. I personally don't see these recruits going to the National Assembly anytime soon. But I do, however, see them working with Floyd Shivambu in growing the MK Party. Please do share your thoughts down below on all these new MK Party members. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, don't skip the ads, and turn on that notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe.